Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Lindiwe Masango, proud owner of Lee Ice Cubes. I started the business in Mamelodi, a township in Pretoria, because we had some days where you find that we don't have clean running water. So for me, I saw a gap to sell purified clean water. I offer branded mineral water for all your occasions, like your weddings, mostly working with events managers. And I have still water, I have sparkling, I have flavored mineral water. My flavors are lychee, strawberry, cherry, lemon and lime, passion fruit. You can get hold of me on Facebook, it's Lee Ice Cubes, Instagram, Lee Ice Cubes, and my website is www.leeicecubes.co.za, or on my cell number or WhatsApp is 060-349-9016. My name is Lindiwe Masango and I am a township entrepreneur.